A big hello to the APIC community of America. I'm Paul Swinney, founder of Tristel, and we started our journey back in 1993 with one very clear vision: to make the disinfection of medical instruments easier, safer, and faster. Today, we introduce to you our revolutionary high-level disinfectant for ultrasound probes, Tristel ULT.
Hello, my name is Yulia Shabanova, and I'm CEO of Tristel USA. Today, I'm speaking to you from our office in Boston, Massachusetts. Last year, we received FDA clearance for our novel high-level disinfectant of ultrasound probes, and that allowed us to make it available in the United States. With ease of use at point of care, Tristel ULT is set to simplify reprocessing of ultrasound probes and to improve healthcare efficiencies. Now, let's meet our incredible business partners that are marketing Tristel ULT in the USA.
Hello, I'm Neil Buckhalter, president of Parker Laboratories and the manufacturer and supplier of Tristel ULT in North America. Parker Laboratories has been the leading supplier of medical ultrasound products for 65 years. Our collaboration with Tristel has really brought our commitment to safety and efficiency to new levels with this game-changing FDA-approved high-level disinfectant.
We're committed to enhancing infection prevention
With innovation that spans continents.
and quality you can trust.
Tristel ULT, making high-level disinfection simple and accessible.